Hello there. I want to put some dirt from this bag into this onto this flour, and I don't have any scoop, so I will make one from this Coca-Cola bottle. If I will not break it. So let me show you how you can make a scoop free and easy. Okay. So first you take out any bottle will work fine, just fine. Take out the label, and after that I will use this to make an incision. Okay, so now this one you can use it like a pot, and let's make a scoop. So I will make between half. Okay, let's do that. It's a way to recycle Coca-Cola bottles. Yes, my phone is ringing in the best moment possible. So here I have a scoop, a large scoop and a handle. Take it like this, you put dirt here and you press it back. I think it's too narrow, but I could make it bigger. But it will work for one time. It's flimsy, so you can cut it, but I think it will work. See you next video. Bye bye.